how to do finesse dribbling on eFootball 2025 mobile. Now the new version of eFootball 25 mobile has been released, and this is going to be a very simple and basic tutorial on how you can do the finesse dribbling. Now to do this is very simple. Normally to show any skill, what do? You hold the dash button and you flick the controller stick right here, right? But what you have to do for finesse dribbling is, so let's say that I want to dribble to the left hand side, right? All I have to do is simply flick this like this, keep on holding like this, or if you want down, you can do this. You can also do it backward if you want to do the finesse dribbling backward. So now let's say I'm in front of a certain opponent right over here, right? So if I'm in front of a certain opponent, what I have to do is I just need to dribble like this, which is just flick it towards the left or the right or the back. Now here I'm not sure why an opponent is not coming. Now let me show you if a certain opponent is right over there, right? So right here we'll go to practice match, and then we will start a new match, and I will show you how that works in the real life scenario as well. So here if a certain opponent is holding me down and then I simply do like this, you can see the opponent will also hold themselves off and they will not come from the ball, because we are actually holding the ball by using finesse dribbling. So right here you can see I'm using finesse dribbling to actually hold the ball. So this is how you can do finesse dribbling on eFootball 25 mobile. A very simple, no need to press the dash button, just hold this left joystick and then flick it towards any direction. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.